Alfa in a few words. Alfa Animal Nutrition Group was born in 1978 under the initiative of his creator, Mr. Chabouni. 4 years, the group has evolved in size and quality of both products and services, and it has been implied in the animal nutrition field. Alfa Group is composed of young workers who are skilled, dynamic, and patient in their profession. They also well preserved the experience of old managerial staff. The intergenerational complementarities help the company to progress serenely and allow the young workers to ensure the sustainability of the group. Our group chose the policy of the certification ISO 22000 and ISO 9001 in order to respond to the customer's needs. Alfa is specialized in the manufacturing of animal feeds, such as mineral and vitamin supplements, premix, and the raw materials trade. Alfa Group is headquartered in 5 sites. Nutri-Sud site is located in Sfax at 10.5 km on Mahdia Road. Medimix site is located in Sfax at 29 km on Mahdia Road. Sepag site is located in Manzel Bouzelfa on Soliman Road. Medimix site is located in Jebel al-Lost in Zarwan. The international Nutri-Sud site is located in Sfax at 29 km on Mahdia Road. Alfa mainly works in the animal nutrition area, where the main goal of the company is to ensure high quality criteria and customer satisfaction. The receipt of raw materials is done in the port after analysis of commodities specifications in our internal laboratories as well as in approved ones. Those materials are stored in silos, which are equipped with dynamic ventilation and control system of ambient parameters, temperature, humidity. The storage capacity is around 80,000 tons and could reach 120,000 tons thanks to the current projects. After monitoring a precise dosage, the raw materials are grinded using 2 different ways: hammer mill and roller mill, in order to have the perfect size of animal needs. In order to get the adequate homogeneity, we use plowshares mixes. The melasser is used to reduce dust on the floor to give an appetizing food for ruminant. The obtained product will be either stored in a silo of finished product, which is the floor, or it will be routed toward the pressing lines. The heat treatment of product is provided through the crossing of mixture in the conditioner during 2 minutes at an 80 centigrade temperature. This process allows to get decontaminated food with a good quality. After the pelleting process, the granulated product passes through a cooler and it is sieved to remove fine particles. In the final step, the pellet feed goes through the coater in order to add liquid enzymes and oil. Samples are taken to analysis in the laboratory throughout the manufacturing process. The shipping is performed in bags of 50 kilos, which are identified by the specific batch number, the manufacturing date, and the composition. The finished product is either stored in silos or placed in bags in the warehouse. Both manufacturing and shipping processes are led by computer. Before truck loading, each truck must go to the wash station and then to a disinfection station. From each delivered batch, a sample is taken in order to be analyzed in our laboratories. The analysis involves the control of physico-chemical characteristics such as protein, fat, humidity. This process is achieved through a conventional method or the infrared technology. In order to push the analysis credibility, Alfa has acquired a HPLC, High Performance Liquid Chromatography, since 2013 to determine the contents of vitamins, amino acids, and micronutrients. Alfa also has 30 trucks to ensure the shipping of loose bulk feed to charge silos provided by the group in order to reduce aliment cost and avoid wastes. The extrusion unit allowed to develop and treat the soybeans with a mechanical friction. This process eliminates anti-nutritional factors and permits to extract oil by using a mechanical press. The premix factory. Due to the huge number of raw materials and finished products in premix factory, Alfa introduced a monitoring system of traceability by using the identification of raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products. The identification is done through the barcode, which is managed by computer. Once received, each raw material batch is identified by an internal barcode. This identification follows the product until the final destination, the farmer. The dosage is released by precious bascule defined by computer. The high-precision mixers assure the homogeneity of the finished product. The barcode identification of the packed finished product permits to trace all the raw materials in use. Alfa has a great technical team, which ensures the monitoring and assistance of farmers and zoo technical performances in various farms.